Example 5 of the solving linear system, substitution, elimination, and calculator methods. We have the following system. We want to solve this using the TI-84 calculator. So before we do that, we need to solve each of these equations for y. So for this first one, solving it for y, I'm going to subtract 4x to both sides. So we have 3y is equal to negative 4x minus 1. Dividing by 3 on both sides, we have negative 4/3 x minus 1/3. So that's the first equation solved for y. The second one, I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. So we have 5y is equal to negative 2x plus 3. Dividing by 5 on both sides, we have y is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 3/5. And now that we've done that, we can now put them in our calculator. So here's a TI-84. So turning it on. We go to our y equals. I'll zoom in a little bit here. Go to our y equals. And it has y1, y2. And for each of those, we put in what we solved for y in each of these areas, pressing down to go in between them. Next, we want to graph it. So what we're going to do is do second trace to go to our calc. So you press second and then trace. Now we're in calculate. We want to find out where they intersect. So we're scrolling down to number 5 for intersect and press enter. So now we have it graphed. It's asking here for our first curve. So we're going to go on one of the functions and press enter. And then it asks for our second curve. And it is already on the other line, so we're going to press enter. Next, it asks you to guess. And then what they're asking for is for you to guess where the intersection is. So it looks like it intersects somewhere over here. And then I'm going to press enter. And it has discovered that the intersection is at x equals negative 1 and y equals 1. It's a little bit hard to see there. But that means that we have a solution. Zooming out again. We have a solution at x is negative 1, 1. And that's how we can solve this system using calculator.